Today we are going to discuss the next topic, that is the measurement of pressure. That how we can measure and with which instrument we can measure the pressure. So we can measure the pressure with the help of a pressure gauge. The simplest pressure gauge known as that is open tube manometer. Here is the picture of open tube manometer that we can use very easily. Fine. Now what this open tube manometer is? It is consist of a U-shaped tube, right? A U-shaped tube is there and some liquid is filled in it. Fine. And there is some measurement, some you can say that measurement is written on it. And one end is open and the second end of this tube is connected to the vessel, right? Is connected to the vessel. You can say that it is connected to the gas vessel. जिसका आपको प्रेशर मेजर करना है उसके साथ हम इसको क्या करेंगे, अटैच करेंगे, राइट? नाउ हाउ इट वर्क्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, if you want to measure the pressure inside you can say that inside the tube or inside the tube of a cycle tire, okay, you connected this portion with the just opening of the tire, right? Here the opening of the tire is and you connected this, right? Now the air present in the tire, it apply some pressure on it, right? Means some air enters. Now the air enters and there will be some mismatch in the liquid level. This will go down and this will go up. Fine. Whenever some air enters here, you can easily see then this level of liquid will go down and this level of liquid will go up. Now what will be the pressure? The difference between their levels, the liquid levels, the levels of liquid will give the pressure. It will give the amount of pressure in any type of vessel if you want to measure the any kind of pressure. Fine. This is in this way we can easily find out or easily measure the pressure with the help of open tube manometer. If you want to measure the pressure, atmospheric pressure, fine. For finding the atmospheric pressure, we need an instrument. That instrument is known as barometer. Fine. That is a different instrument that is used to measure the atmospheric pressure. Fine. For simply, we can use open tube manometer. One end is open and second end is connected to the vessel, connected to the gas vessel. Fine. And when the air goes in this U tube, the level of the liquid varies and the difference in the levels of the liquid will tell us the amount of pressure of that particular gas.
About an experiment to measure the unknown pressure value using U-tube manometer. U-tube manometer consists of a glass tube bent to a U shape. Initially, the U-tube is filled with a manometric fluid such that the level of the fluid is same in both the limbs. The manometric fluid in the U-tube can be oil, water or mercury whose density should be known. There are two limbs in the manometer, L1 and L2. A graduated scale is fixed between the two limbs. When both the limbs are exposed to same pressure medium, the fluid level in the two limbs will be equal. Now let us measure the pressure of air trapped inside the tube. The limb L1 is open to atmospheric pressure and the limb L2 is connected with a rubber tube. The rubber tube consists of a clip to make it airtight after the air is blown through it. The pressure of the air in L2 is now greater than the pressure in L1. Now the fluid in the U-tube is displaced to a new position. The difference between the two readings will give height of the fluid level in the tube. The formula for calculating the pressure of air trapped inside the tube is given by P equals rho GH. On substituting the corresponding values in the above formula, we get the pressure value. Let us now measure the pressure of the water column. The limb L2 is connected with the rubber tube. The end of the tube consists of a funnel closed with a rubber sheet. This tube is then inserted into a beaker of water whose pressure is to be determined. The rubber tube with the funnel is pressed down so that the pressure is induced through the rubber sheet to the tube. Now the manometric level in L1 rises and simultaneously the level in L2 falls down. The difference between the readings on the graduated scale is the height h. The pressure of a water column can be calculated as done before. Thus, you have learnt about the pressure measurement using U-tube manometer.